In this video, we will take you through the detailed process of how to get a sponsor on YouTube. We will also look at in details, using sponsorship as a source of generating income on YouTube before and after monetization. Welcome to Success Mindset. This video is in addition to our current series of how to make money online and a continuation of how to make money on YouTube. As promised, I will go through some very effective ways creators can increase their income on YouTube by learning how to get a sponsor for your YouTube channel. Yes, it is possible to do sponsored promotions for third parties independently. First, we will define the term sponsorship, then we will go through how it works on YouTube. We will then examine the process of how you can use it as a means to generate income on your channel, and finally, we will provide you with information on where to find suitable sponsors for your niche. According to YouTube, sponsorships are pieces of content that have been financed in whole or in part by a third party. Sponsorships generally promote the brand, message or product of the third party without integrating the brand, message, or product directly into the content. We will help you learn how to get a sponsor for a YouTube channel. YouTube allows creators to include paid product placements, endorsements, sponsorships, or other content that requires disclosure to viewers in their videos, but there are limitations and guidelines to follow. Let's look at some facts you should be mindful of when embedding third-party sponsorships and ads in YouTube content. YouTube creators cannot include promotions, sponsorships or other advertisements for third-party sponsors or advertisers in their videos where YouTube offers a comparable ad format, including but not limited to video ads, pre, mid and post rolls, image overlays and video bumpers. This is a violation of Section 4 of the Terms of Service. YouTube creators may include paid product placements or endorsements as part of content only if they comply with the advertising policies and any applicable legal and regulatory obligations. How can you use sponsorship to generate revenue on your channel? YouTube allows static title cards and end cards where there's a paid promotion. These title cards and end cards can include graphics and the sponsor or marketer's logo and product branding. Title cards can be 5 seconds or less and static. If they're placed at the beginning of the video, the card must be co-branded with the creator's name or logo. End cards should be placed within the last 30 seconds of the video and must be static. YouTube advises that creators and brands are responsible for understanding and fully following legal obligations to disclose paid promotion in their content according to their jurisdiction. Legal obligations might include when and how to disclose and to whom to disclose. If your content has a paid product placement, endorsement, or other commercial relationship, you need to tell YouTube so they can facilitate disclosures to users. Note that you may have more obligations depending on the laws in your jurisdiction. When your content includes a paid promotion, some jurisdictions and brand partners require that you tell viewers about any commercial relationship that might have influenced or added to your content. It's your responsibility to check and comply with laws and regulations around paid promotion content that apply to you. Whenever you mark your video as containing paid promotions, YouTube will automatically show viewers a disclosure message for 20 seconds at the beginning of the video. This disclosure message will tell the viewer that it contains paid promotions. Remember to activate the paid promotion button when you have an active sponsor for your video. To access this button, click on Content in the YouTube Studio. Then click on the video of choice. Then click on Details. Then scroll down and click Show More. And tick the button next to Paid Promotions. Now let's look at how to get suitable sponsors for your niche. If you have a small YouTube channel, it can seem like getting a sponsorship is an impossible task, but it's actually something that is achievable if you know where to look. The first step to getting a YouTube sponsorship is to understand what sponsors are looking for. An established brand persona is essential to gaining a YouTube sponsorship. The single most important thing sponsors look for in potential sponsorships is compatibility. So, ensure that your channel has a well-defined niche, target audience and content strategy. Sponsors want to know that you share their values and that your branding aligns with theirs. Having a similar target audience is one of the most important things a sponsor looks for in a sponsorship. A sponsor is only going to want to work with you if your content will appeal to their audience. So, sponsors always look for quality content. Before reaching out to sponsors, do a content quality audit. You need to have great videos with high audience engagement. A potential sponsor can see your audience engagement by going to socialblade.com and looking at your YouTube report card. A good ranking for engagement is about 5%. Audience engagement is a combination of likes, comments, and dislikes. If you have a well-defined audience and great videos, then brands will initiate communications for sponsorship. If you have got your channel in order and believe that you are ready for sponsorship deals, here are the steps you can take to make this task an easier one. 1. Create a media kit. This will contain your name, your contact information, your channel name, and details about your audience. Brands will use this to evaluate whether or not you'd be a good salesperson for their product. 2. Create a rate sheet for your services. If you don't know what to charge, you can go to Social Blue Book and register. You will get guides on different rates. You can edit or increase these rates as you see fit. 3. Ensure that the business email address on your About page on your YouTube channel is up to date, as this is the primary way that brands will contact you. Now, let's look at ways to get paid sponsors for your YouTube channel. There are platforms dedicated to connecting creators to sponsors. Some offer YouTube sponsorship for small channels and others have a subscriber threshold requirement. For this video, we will look at 1. Freedom. 2. Fullscreen. 3. Grapevine. 4. Zoom-in. 5. Channel pages. 6. YouTube Brand Connect. Freedom is a great YouTube network for small channels. It has no view or subscriber requirements. So regardless of the number of subscribers you have, you can join. This website provides effective tips and tricks and over 80,000 active community members for collaborations and channel reviews. They also provide advanced payments and additional revenue through brand deals, referral programs, and content claiming services. Their revenue share starts at 60% and can grow to 95% over time, as your channel grows. Another major perk of a partnership with Freedom is their no lock-in contract. That means you can leave at any time. To join Freedom, click the link in the description which takes you to this site and then click Join Us Now. Next, you select the Gmail account associated with your YouTube channel. Then you have to enter some basic details and click Continue. Go through the startup guide. It gives you valuable information. The final step is to add your YouTube channel. Just click on Add Channels, then it will show your YouTube channel. Select your channel and give access to Freedom to your account. You will see your channel added and it will be under review status. Freedom will have a look and you should get approval, or they will say why your channel is not approved. If you find this video to be informative, consider subscribing to this channel. I upload videos twice weekly, with actionable tips on growing your audience and income. The next YouTube sponsor for small channels is Fullscreen. Fullscreen is an American entertainment company that offers tools, services, and consultation to social media content creators and brands. They have great tools to help you with the design and sales of channel-related merchandise. Detailed data and analytics are also included in the package, to assure optimization and promotion of video content. The site allows you to log in with a Gmail account and will immediately assess your channel and tell you if you qualify to join the platform. If your channel qualifies, you will gain access to all services offered on their platform. Fullscreen is a subsidiary of Otter Media. According to Ubersuggest, Full has nearly 50,000 monthly visitors. Zoom-in is one of the largest network out there that provides support for creators who are looking to grow their channel and get sponsorship. Based in the Netherlands, they also own a major TV station there, so they have better ad revenue due to the ad sales teams they have in their company. Zoom-in offers brands, advertisers, and media agencies the opportunity to reach their target audience with online advertising and branded content. Publishers can choose from a multitude of video feed subscriptions, and that includes the YouTube platform. Their requirement is high, but that's really worth it because it's one of the biggest and trusted. They will match your channel with suitable sponsors. This network is really good for those who want to get paid via Western Union or transfer money directly to a bank account. The premium service, which includes a full suite of software tools and consultation on programming strategy, is designed to build an audience and engagement around clients' video content. With experience in both content creation and channel management, Zoom-in is able to offer and provide the opportunity for collaboration and cross-promotion between different online content creators and between creators and brands across multiple platforms. Next is Grapevine. Grapevine allows you to set up an account for free at www.grapevinelogic.com and connect your YouTube account. You are given a personalized list of products that may fit with your channel. Anyone with a YouTube channel can join the Grapevine community and access the Creator Match tool, which allows you to find and collaborate with other content creators on Grapevine. If you have over 2,000 subscribers to your YouTube channel, users get access to a marketplace with hundreds of brand sponsorship opportunities. They can easily filter and navigate the marketplace to find sponsorships that fit their channel, apply to work on campaigns, and manage relationships easily through the Grapevine Message Center. Channel Pages is another website that acts as a bridge between content creators and brands. You can create a profile for free, as you sign up. There are two boxes near the bottom that ask what sort of collaborations and promotion offers that you would like. Find video partners for collaborations, promotional videos, and integrated marketing campaigns. Make sure you show up when they search for creators like you. First, sync your YouTube account to Channel Pages and confirm your direct contact info. Then review your channel profile page, and make sure everything looks good. Once verified, find other channels to start collaborations. Get found by paid sponsors. YouTube Brand Connect. This service was previously known as FameBit. It was rebranded to YouTube Brand Connect on June 16, 2020. The same great branded content services that were provided by FameBit are now under the new name, YouTube Brand Connect. YouTube Brand Connect is a monetization service that connects creators with brands for branded content campaigns. It helps you get paid to include advertiser content in your videos and provides campaign management resources. Creators always retain creative control and can choose who to work with. YouTube Brand Connect is a monetization service that is being rolled out to select channels. To be part of YouTube Brand Connect, channels must meet these minimum eligibility requirements. You need to be over 18 years old. You need to be in the YouTube Partner Program. You are based in the US. You have 0 active community guidelines strikes. We have looked at 6 different sites that provide sponsorship services to YouTube creator, which can be used as a means to generate income, before and after monetization. These include Freedom, Fullscreen, Grapevine, Zoom, Channel Pages, and YouTube branded content. I truly hope that you use one of these resources to help increase your earnings from YouTube. You will find the link for all these sites in the description of this video. If you have found this video to be informative, please like and share with friends and subscribe to this channel. Press the notification bell so you won't miss out on new videos. Do not forget to share your suggestions with us in the comments sections. We appreciate your support. Peace and love to all.